Namaste. Hello friends, my name is Dr. Pranjal Chaure. I am a homeopath practicing in Nagpur since 2011. Welcome to my YouTube channel about homeopathic books. In the videos on this channel, you will learn about various homeopathic books on different subjects. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to share it with your friends. So let's start with today's topic. Hello friends, today's topic is homeopathic books on surgery. In this topic, you will learn about various homeopathic remedies which can be used before and after surgery and also useful in the post-surgical complications. So let's start the video. The first book is Homeopathy Before and After Surgery by Dean Smith. Dean Smith was an MD, American homeopath. He was a professor of surgery and clinical surgery, University of Michigan, Homeopathic Department, Ann Arbor. This book contains 23 chapters. They are: Chapter 1, Preparation for a Surgical Operation. Chapter 2, First Care After Operation. Chapter 3, After Reaction from Anesthetic and Shock. Chapter 4, Special Complications. Chapter 5, Dietetics. Chapter 6, Surface Tumors and Swellings. Chapter 7, Eye, Ear, Nose and Throat. Chapter 8, Surgery of the Trachea. Chapter 9, Surgery of the Chest and Pleura. Chapter 10, Mouth and Esophagus. Chapter 11, Abdominal Surgery. Chapter 12, Special Operations within the Abdomen. Chapter 13, Uterus, Tubes and Ovaries. Chapter 14, Genitourinary Orifices in Women. Chapter 15, Rectum and Anus. Chapter 16, Kidneys and Genitourinary Organs. Chapter 17, the Nervous and Vascular Systems. Chapter 18, Orthopedic Operations. Chapter 19, Necrosis of Bones. Chapter 20, Operations on Joints. Chapter 21, Amputations. Chapter 22, Traumatisms. And Chapter 23, Fractures. The next book is The Homeopathic Treatment of Surgical Diseases by J. G. Gilchrist. J. G. Gilchrist was an MD. This book was published in the year 1873. He was the editor of the Surgical Department of the Medical Investigator. The contents are: Preface, Introductory, Diseases of the Mind, Diseases of the Head, Diseases of the Face, Diseases of the Ear, Diseases of the Eye, Diseases of the Nose, Diseases of the Mouth, Diseases of the Throat, Diseases of the Chest and Breast, Diseases of the Spine, Diseases of the Abdomen, Diseases of the Intestine, Diseases of the Anus and Rectum, Diseases of the Penis, Diseases of the Bladder and Appendages, Diseases of the Scrotum and Testicles, Diseases of the Female Genitals, Diseases of the Joints, Diseases of the Bones, Diseases of the Nails, Diseases of the Blood Vessels, Diseases of the Nerves, Suppuration, Ulcers, Gangrenous Diseases, Tumors, Effects of Heat and Cold, Index. The next important book is Homeopathy in Surgery by Dr. Y. R. Agrawal. Dr. Y. R. Agrawal was a famous homeopath from Rajasthan, India. Details about the author have been already shared in the previous videos, so please do check out the videos. The contents are: utility of surgery, pre-operative care, post-operative elements, condition of collapse, pain, anesthesia, nausea and vomiting, shock, hemorrhage, blood bank, bed sore, dressing after operation, sleeplessness, surgical fevers which include aseptic surgical fever, septic fever and suppurative fever, erysipelas, jaundice, hiccup, bronchitis, delirium, excretion, stools, urine. Also some specific types of cases including post-operative flatulent distension, paralytic ileus, peritonitis, other complications, amputation, appendectomy, bubo, cancer, cataract, eye operation, cholecystitis, circumcision, curating operation, fractures, surgery of glands, gallstone, hair lip and cleft palate, surgical kidney, laparotomy, mastitis, mastoid operation, plastic surgery, prostatic surgery, rectal operations, fistula in ano, sagittal sutures, sepsis, suppuration, pyemia and granulation, thoracic surgery, tonsillectomy, throat, tooth extraction, urinary organs and ovariotomy, wounds and gangrene, post-operative cases, post-operative distension, after operation, pelvic operation, forceps delivery, tetanus and miscellaneous complaints. So, hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.